In this video, we will be talking about the .NET platform. I am Dara Oladapo. The .NET platform is the platform that enables you to build applications for mobile devices, the web, desktop, cloud, machine learning, games, IoT devices, and microservices. There are a number of languages in the .NET ecosystem. We have C#, Visual Basic, and F#. We will be focusing on C#. Now, why should you consider learning C# and .NET? First, you don't have to pay for it, and you can write across Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, and it's open source. Now, let's talk about our software development kit and how to get it installed on our systems. Head on over to .net, that is dot.net, on your favorite browser. Click on the download button and you should be able to download the installer for your target operating system. Remember, I am showing this to you on Windows, but you can pretty much do this on any of your favorite operating system. The instructions are there on the .NET website. Once the download is completed, head on over to finish the installation by following the on-screen instruction. To confirm that your installation was successful, head on over and launch your command line client. It might be command prompt or PowerShell or terminal or anything, and type in .NET -- version. This should give you the current installed version of the software development kit on your system. Next, let's talk about downloading our code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. Head on over to code.visualstudio.com on your browser and download the installer for your target operating system. Once download is completed, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation process. After that, you are ready to start coding C#. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notifications when I post new videos on this channel. See you in another video. Goodbye.